Okay, welcome to Waco, Texas at the Colin Bakery. We're headed down to Fully Charged, and just want to show off my Tesla with the automatic frunk and trunk. On the Model 3, it's a little more unusual. It's kind of nice to have. We'll go ahead and open it up. And then on the we're using the fob on this one, but it works on the fob. Got a button on the inside that works as well, and did the trunk as a nice little addition as well. But it sure saves my wife and myself a lot of headaches when it comes to opening and closing everything. If you guys are interested, just check out my Texas Tesla YouTube channel, and it shows you how to install everything. And other than that, we'll see you down at Fully Charged.